In the trough of life, have you ever asked yourself, where can you find hope? Difficulties and pain are like strong winds and waves. However, the warmth hidden in the depths of my heart, the power of love, is an opportunity for rebirth. This power can not only smooth the scars of the past, but also inject infinite possibilities into life. Love is the root of healing. When we learn to accept ourselves, we can see the light in our hearts. This light, although weak, can penetrate the deepest darkness and lead us out of the loss. Our hearts only need to be wiped by love and hope to reproduce the pure glory. Every fall is an opportunity for growth. Just as the earth needs to experience heavy rain to give birth to abundant fruits, our hearts also need to draw strength in adversity. Remember that darkness is only the other side of the light. When you choose to believe in love and hope, you can find the courage to move forward from helplessness. Setbacks are inevitable in life. These challenges are like dark clouds in the night sky, shielding the starlight. However, when we choose to let go of persistence and draw wisdom from pain, we can bloom from the mud like a lotus, and hope begins with our spiritual thoughts. Under the guidance of love and hope, the heart is like the sea. Although it has experienced storms and waves, it will finally be calm. When we let go of the resentment of the past and embrace every moment of the present again, we can find that the light has already bloomed in our hearts. A calm and firm heart can overcome all difficulties and find his true self. Love is the starting point of healing. There is light in the abyss, burning every pain. That's the warmth of love, smoothing the traces of the soul. There is a shore in the dilemma, through every storm. That is the guide of hope and the opportunity to be reborn. Hope is the light of the heart. No matter how dark the night sky is, the heart lamp will not be extinguished. Lead us to find the way forward. No matter how bitter life is, love is infinite. Give us the courage to face the challenge. Even if there is endless darkness ahead, the light of the heart can still guide. Even if your feet are trapped in thorns, the seeds of hope have sprouted quietly. Reborn in the present, every time you let go, it's a new beginning. Every hug is an opportunity for rebirth. The power of life comes from the belief of love. The future of hope begins with the choice of the present. Love is a glint light that penetrates the endless darkness. It is the warmth of the palm of the hand, holding the broken soul. We often forget the power to love ourselves. But he looked for the path of redemption when he was full of scars. View yourself with compassion and learn to embrace yourself. No more resistance, let love flow in the cracks. Love is not indulgence, but relief. It is the candle of hope lit in the dark. The journey of life is like a winding river, sometimes calm, sometimes surging. Turn obstacles into power and adversity into wisdom. The trough is not the end, but the new starting point. Darkness is not an obstacle, but an opportunity for growth. Admit suffering with a normal heart. You can see a wider sky in the trough.